guys, welcome to another episode of Mega Farms, and we're working on our 79 359 Peterbilt. We're having some wind seepage issues. The door seals on both the doors are having some issues. They need to be replaced. There's almost no felt left inside the door seals. Window sill seals need to be replaced as well. So we're going to tear these door panels apart, replace the seals on the inside of there, and lube up the chain mechanism, the drive mechanism for the window grill. So no more tomfoolery.
Fair exchanges, no robberies. So that means some honor amongst thieves, except the ones with larceny and envy of the heart. If it's right, even like to hide in the dark.
We all got dark passengers that we ride with.
For the cow,
Smith and Wesson is my sidekick.
So I gotta keep it 30. Even lawmen out here playing.
So we've got the passenger side door panel torn apart right now, and what we found is some really hard, brittle. You can see that stuff's just breaking, and oh, there we go. Very brittle stuff. Lots of old grease on the chain, which I'm glad it's actually lubed up. The window regulator track looks a little suspicious here. It's lost quite a bit of material, and it's suffering from some rust jacking here. And also the lip seals that go on the very sill of the door, they're in pretty shitty shapes too. So I'm gonna pull those off the door panel. I've already pulled it off the top of the door up there and finished tearing the rest of the stuff off out of here, and then hopefully get some new stuff in there. But in the process, we're gonna have to move the window, probably start tearing at the bottom and the top, tear as much as we can, and then move the window and see if we can get the rest of it out of there. To get the door panel apart, you pull all the screws out, and then after you pull the first set of screws out, what you do is you mark them. The original owner, Don, marked these with DP for door panel, and I went back in a yellow marker and highlighted them with yellow marker, so I know those are the outer door panel screws. Don't put any screws in those when I'm putting them together initially. You want to pull your door latch cap off of there, unscrew that, and then pull the very top panel off there, and then pull the very bottom panel off. It should gain you enough access to get to most everything you need. If you need more access, you can pull this panel off here, and that will release this door latch and the window regulator. But we don't want to do all that right now. This should be enough space.
Disrespect, only respect, disrespect. So when I give you what I got for is what you get. No pity,
So pretty.
So 24/7 I put on from my city, from the booth to the streets,
From the streets to the booth.
lie get you killed quicker than the truth. If you try to put shame in my game to make it.
Why is that? I'll do part of that shit.
I'ma put it on a bullet, put it in your brain, bitch.
When the deal goes down, let 'em move along. When the deal goes down, better hope it don't go wrong. When the deal goes down, better sing my song. When the deal goes down, when the deal goes down.
This makes the noise go away. Fit a couple sheets in here. Kind of size up how much you're going to need for your job. Maybe about 3 sheets across the bottom, and probably 2 sheets across the top. That should cover most of the store. What we're going to do additionally, cover up the inside of the door skin to kind of prevent this from happening again, where the chain from the window regulator is rubbing on the inside of the door. So this little piece of delrin that I stuck in here to shim the door up seems to have taken all the shake out of this door. Now when we close the door, it actually doesn't move up or down. There's no play in the door.